Okay, now see the next question based on the word problem. Now we'll discuss about based on shapes. The previous one and all we have discussed about what it is, numbers. This sum it is based on shapes. Okay. So here the basic concept you should know what is the area and perimeter of the basic shapes. Okay, it is like square, rectangle, and triangle, and we know that what is the formula for what it is, right angle triangle also. Okay, so right angle triangle, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Okay, so hypotenuse square is equal to what it is? Side square plus side square. That will become for your right angle triangle. So here you see that. So based on that, we'll have sums, and sometimes the sides they used to say dimension. The sides they used to say what it is, dimension. So that time not supposed to get confused. What is meant by dimension? Okay, so dimension means what it is, the size. Okay, so when they are talking about here the rectangle, so the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Okay, area they have given 528 meters square. Now what they are saying, the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. Now here the clue which it is given. When it is 528 meters square the area, the length of the plot is 1 more than. 1 more than means what it is here? What term will come? Addition. 1 more than twice its breadth. Twice its breadth means what it is? Multiplication. Understand? So here we will assume that, please listen. Let the length is equal to what it is? L. And breadth is equal to what it is? T. Understand? So case 1, what they are saying, that is L into B is equal to, okay, how much it is? 528 meters square. That is area of rectangle, that is equal to how much it is? 528 meters square. This is case 1. So you take this 1. So in case 2, what they are saying that they are talking about length. So the length is equal to 1 more than twice its. So the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. Any doubt? It is very simple. The word is also very simple. It is very simple to understand the concept. So area they are given and they are talking about the length. Length is 1 more than twice its breadth. Now this is 2. Okay. Now substitute 2 in 1. So what we'll do, we'll substitute 2 in equation 1. Instead of L, we'll substitute 1 plus 2b. Therefore, 1 plus 2b into what it is? B, that is equal to 528 meters square. 528 what it is? Meters square. You understood? Because in the previous pair of linear equations will get this type of equation form, addition form. So there we find length and breadth separately. Here in this chapter, what I told you that we should get the multiplication term. Because of that only I mentioned area like this. Okay. So here we can see that multiply b inside. 1 into b is b plus 2b into b is what it is? 2b square equal to 528. Previous amount we had x. Here we have taken the breadth, what it is, length, breadth as such we have taken. Now regroup this order. 2b square plus b minus 528 is equal to 0. Do you have any doubts still here? Any doubt in this? Very clear with this? Okay, now, so here we can simplify this. A value is equal to 2, B value is equal to 1, C value is equal to minus 5 to 8. So discriminant B is equal to B square minus 4AC. Okay, B value is 1 square minus 4 into what is A value? 2 into C value minus 5 to 8. So 1 square is 1 minus, here also minus income plus 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 528. Multiply and tell me. 528 into 8. First, what value will be getting? 528 into 8. 4,000 4,000? Louder, 4,224. Are you sure? 8 8s are 64, 4, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, 8 5s are 40, plus 4 double 2, 4. So that is 4 double 2, 4. When you add in this, you will get 4 double 2, 5. Okay, so therefore D is greater than what it is? 0. We'll get two different what? Two different real roots. Two different real roots. So therefore, x is equal to minus of b plus or minus b divided by 2a. X is equal to, what is the b value? It is minus 1 plus or minus root of 4 double 2 5, which is divided by 2 into a value 1, sorry 2. A value is 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, what is the square root for this? 65 divided by 2 into 2, how much it is? 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 65 by 4. X is equal to minus 1 minus 65 by 4. So x is equal to, you will be getting what it is? 64 by 4. X is equal to how much it is? 16. What is x value? 16. And here x is equal to minus 66 by 4. You will be getting x value is minus, what it is? 33 by 2. So it is minus 33 by 2. So negative value will not consider. Negative value will not consider. We'll assume what it is? Only positive value. Sorry, here the equation is b, breadth, b. So breadth is 16. Therefore, breadth is equal to 16. Length is equal to, what they are saying? 1 more than twice as breadth. Twice is what it is? Breadth. So 1 plus 2 into 16. 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 meter. Okay. You understood this? Any doubt on this? You understood how we frame the equation? Okay, this is the way you should frame the equation, and there are two values. Always the negative value not supposed to consider. Negative value what? Not supposed to consider for area. Okay.